Let me know.
Sure. Wait, why is it not turning?
Okay, I want to put your phone in the water so you can set up. Because if you want to like adjust the light, you can't do it with the water.
Okay.
And you have to use our flashlight.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's fine. It's fine.
It's good.
Where's our...
Here's our flashlight.
Bro, this stand is so...
And just push it a bit behind the tube.
It went backwards. Oh.
Can we like rotate it? Because I mean it's...
Like if you rotate it now, you can. But if it moves, you won't get any points for it. Adjust. Like if you just like want to see if it works, you can.
Okay.
But you would get no points.
Yeah, that's really good. It has to 100% cover the panel for it to work.
Is that true?
Yo, if we just made the stand like stick out this much more, that would have been not cool.
No way. Wait, what? No. No.